How to install the Philips Hue Outdoor Sensor. Before mounting the outdoor sensor, use the Philips Hue app to add the sensor to your setup. Let's get started. Open the Philips Hue app and go to Settings. Then select Accessory Setup. Press Add Accessory and then select Hue Outdoor Sensor. Press the button on the back of the Hue Outdoor Sensor. If the orange LED on the front of the sensor is blinking, press the LED blinking button in the app. The LED light on the front of the sensor will turn green when it's connected. Now select the room where this sensor will be used. In this example, let's select Outdoor. You can then configure your sensor, give it a name, set light settings for the day, and customize light and motion sensitivity. Now it's time to mount the outdoor sensor. Use the plugs and screws to mount the sensor on bricks and stone surfaces, and the screws to mount the sensor on wooden surfaces. Attach the sensor to the back plate and secure the sensor with the bottom screw. Use the accessory provided to easily mount the sensor between two walls. Or rotate the corner mount to place the sensor on an outdoor corner. Set your lights to welcome you or your guests at home. The sensor detects you when you approach your front door. Or direct the sensor around your home's exterior. The sensor detects motion in a wide area, so there is no need to rotate the sensor. So uninvited guests will be exposed for added peace of mind. Walk by, and your outdoor lights will now turn on automatically. Hue Personal Wireless Lighting. Innovation in you.